There are some ruins. There's some ruins up above that I'd like to see, but there are these three big frickin' cows in the way. Well, they have a calf, which means there must be a mother, and that means they will be protective of their young. I'm only a few minutes away from the ruins, but I don't want to risk getting hit by one of these freaking cows. I'll see if I can zoom in. I'll just keep my distance. I mean, there's a fence here on the left. It's almost my height, so it would be difficult for me to jump over it. There's a little barrier here on the right. I could easily jump over that, but I'm sure they could probably jump over this frickin' barrier as well. I'm on the east side of San Vito Lo Capo. I was here a few days ago, and I only have 2 days left in Sicily, so I decided to return here. I was in Taormina the last few days, but of all the places in San Vito Lo Capo, of all the places in Sicily, San Vito Lo Capo is my favorite. Feels like magic here. I mean, mind you, the rubbish, but that's all over Italy anyways. Well, now this barrier is gone. There's this little thing here, barbed wire or whatever. If I try to jump it, I'm probably going to be the one to get snagged. So I have to really watch out for these damn frickin' cows on the road and everything. This area here to the right looks like some abandoned factory of some sort. It's interesting because I've always wanted to explore abandoned areas. It'd be really cool, abandoned houses in the Maritimes and and all that. Looks like the cows took an exit to the left towards somebody's house. I could hear voices, so there's definitely somebody living in that house. Yeah, and whoever's living in that house is having an argument. Or else that's just a typical Sicilian conversation. Highly emotional. Looks like they're eating something. I guess that's their feed. What do they're like The rest of the Italians, they go out for a nightly walk and they go back later to eat. Okay, well, let's go find these ruins. Over on this side of San Vito Lo Capo, the wind has died down quite a bit. The other side by the lighthouse is super windy. Freaking cow shit everywhere. Okay, so these are the ruins. These don't really look like ruins. Let's see. Should be at the end of the street here. There's the lighthouse in the distance. I don't know why they have lampposts in the distance there. It's like these cows just shit everywhere. Oh, I guess this is it. I'm curious why they have lampposts over there. That looks like it's just part of the factory. You know, when I first went to the Czech Republic, I took a train from Berlin, and on the way into the Czech Republic, I just saw a lot of abandoned places. And I thought, holy crap, people just up and left after the Czech Republic was no longer part of the Soviet Union or something. They just, looks like they just up and left, but nothing like Italy though. Italy looks like they really abandoned a lot. But Sicily has beautiful landscape. I guess I won't be the only one here. There's a vehicle. I don't know if this is security or maybe it's a guy in a dinghy in the distance.